The vent cover is a rubber sleeve that covers the fuel tank vent. It both shields the vent from dirt as well as acts as a grommet to secure the vent to a pocket on the blower housing. Over time, the cover can harden and crack, which will allow the vent to come free from the housing and move freely. Replacing the vent cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by pulling the fuel tank filter out of the pocket on the blower housing. Next, I'll remove the fuel tank vent from the vent line. And I'll remove the vent from the vent cover. And install the new cover. And I'll reinstall the vent onto the vent line. There's a clip that secures the vent to the vent line. I'll hold it about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the fuel line and hold it there as I install the vent. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the vent cover back into the pocket on the fan housing. And that's how easy it is to replace the vent cover on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.